Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the microphone on the Babbel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. At the left side on the screen you can find the settings button. Scroll down and in the general section you can find the first option, the microphone, and here you can set the volume and set the sensitivity. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.